guys, it's Tashay and I am back with another video. This is a impromptu video because I just am so excited. I have a unboxing. Miche Beauty had a sale and your girl got in on it. A limited edition Valentine's Day bundle, I believe. Y'all, I ordered it on Wednesday. It's Saturday and it is here. Y'all, love it. I just thought I'd unbox it for y'all real quick. So, this is what it looks like. She did not play no game with the shipping and all that. It was a little pretty penny. It was $75, but treat yourself. So, in it is the Strawberry Champagne collection. And in it, we have the Strawberry Champagne Limited Blends Hair Mask. This is an 8 ounce and it smells, ooh, like strawberry. So good. Yes, honey, yes. Y'all know. Y'all already know a video coming in on this. Then I have it's cold. I have the Strawberry Champagne Limited Blends Face Mask. This is 4 ounces. I'm sure it smells the same. Yes. Consistency is pretty thick. Oh, I literally just got out the shower. So I'll probably do a face mask. Maybe I'll do a face mask tonight. It also comes with a face oil that is 1 ounce. So these are going to go in my bathroom. And then I also have a Valentine's Day, if you're single, a Limited Blends body scrub. Now, this look like it got tape on it. But I want to see. It do. I want to see. She dropped this collection on Wednesday. I'm uploading this video today, which is Saturday, the day before Valentine's Day. I don't know if it's still going on, but I'll post this video just in case it is. Golly. I wonder why she taped this one up and not the others. Alrighty then. And I'm gonna smell like strawberries. And it ain't no lotion. Yeah. So that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you guys got the Miche Beauty limited edition bundle. Let me know any other products that you got from Miche Beauty. I know that there's a rave, that there's a hype for Miche Beauty. Trust me, I know. I do want to get her other hair masks, like the Indulge and like the Strengthening, because I always hear good reviews about them. So yeah, I plan on getting some soon. I just wanted to treat myself for Valentine's Day. That was a gift to myself because I am single. And treat yourself, you know. I do have details on this video coming out soon. I literally just filmed the video for it. But I cannot wait to try these. Like I said, this hair mask will be in the video soon. And I'll just keep y'all updated on how I like the body butter. I mean the body scrub and the face mask and the face oil, because I do only use like natural face oils or body oils and stuff like that. Like Ella J Essentials is my favorite. I just got this Love on Top And I do love the pink champagne. Sorry, y'all. The pink champagne. I got the body butter too, but this is a Miche unboxing. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.